Good travel tech just makes travel better. But if you're focused on keeping your luggage light and maximizing packing space, that tech can't be too big. So in this video, I'm going to share 12 tiny tech essentials that solve massive travel problems. Let's dive in. So if you ever rent a car when traveling, you know it's kind of a mixed bag whether or not you can pull up directions on the car's infotainment screen. This tiny portable phone mount makes it incredibly easy to install and remove your phone with ease. It's got a vacuum suction cup with a twist lock, so you just place, twist, and it's locked there. It rotates 360 degrees, so you can adjust the angle exactly where you need it, and it works with both MagSafe iPhones and Android phones with the included magnetic ring. It works best on windshields, but it also includes an adhesive pad for textured surfaces like dashboards. This thing has amazing reviews and retails for less than 25 bucks. When traveling, your phone is in constant use, but it's almost never at a comfortable angle. We all end up propping our phones against random objects or holding it like this for long stretches. Well, this phone stand from Moft fixes that. It's a 3-in-1 accessory stand that works as a phone stand, a tripod, and card wallet, all in one slim package that adds only 0.35 inches to your phone. This thing works quite well because it's always there and instantly usable. It supports both portrait and landscape orientations, and you can adjust it to work as a tabletop stand or extend it into an 8-inch tripod for photos and videos. The card slot holds 1 to 2 cards and supports NFC tap payment, so you can keep your ID or credit card accessible without pulling them out. It works with newer MagSafe phones and comes with a metal ring if you've got a non-magnetic case or Android device. At 3.4 ounces, it's light enough, you're not going to notice it unless you need it, and it comes in an insane number of colors. If you shoot a lot of photo or video when traveling, it's almost inevitable you will run out of storage at the worst moment. Your phone fills up mid-trip, and most external storage solutions add friction. Cables dangling off the phone, dongles stacked together, card readers you have to remember to bring. It can just become a mess. And so what I like about this ultra compact portable SSD by Lexar is it plugs directly into your device with no cable, and it immediately expands your storage. The speed is roughly 1,000 megabytes per second, which is fast enough for most tasks. And because it's extremely small and solidly built, it's realistic to slide into a pocket or just keep in your tech pouch at all times. I'm a big fan. Think it's a great piece of tech. Okay, wouldn't be a tech video without a power bank. This is the INIU Ultra Slim. I'm serious when I say this is one of the slimmest real 10,000 milliamp hour power banks on the market. I found that this one hits that rare balance of size, quality, and quick charging. It's genuinely slim, fits easily in a pocket or a tech pouch, but it still packs 10,000 milliamp hours, which can meaningfully extend your phone's life. It's at a great price too. Travel adapters can be a pain to travel with because they're generally kind of bulky. And you could go with a single country plug adapter, but my personal preference is a universal travel adapter that's going to work basically anywhere. This one is super slim and weighs just 4 ounces. A nice thing is you can charge up to 5 devices at once from this single adapter, so really just one of these could support your entire family's charging needs. It supports 40-watt fast charging, which means it can charge an iPhone from 0 to 50% in about 20 minutes. Can't go without it. This little guy really doesn't leave my bag. All right, before we move on, we need to talk about something that's gotten completely out of control: spam. I don't know about you, but in the last few years, it seems like spam texts, calls, and emails have just skyrocketed. And if you've ever wondered how they even get your info, the answer is they bought it. Data brokers collect and sell everything: your name, your phone number, your browsing habits, even your home address. It's a huge invasion of privacy. And technically, we as consumers can request removal from these lists, but there are hundreds of them, and doing it yourself would take a significant amount of time. That's why I love today's sponsor, Incogni. You sign up once, give them permission, and then they go out on your behalf and demand removals from these lists. I actually joined Incogni 2 years ago before they ever sponsored this channel, and they've already scrubbed me from nearly 700 databases. If you want to protect your personal data, Click the link below for 60% off an annual plan. They also include a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means there's basically no risk. And so from a guy who did this before they ever sponsored us, I think this is a no-brainer. Huge thanks to Incogni for sponsoring today's video. All right, let's talk a little bit about cables, shall we? Different devices require different cables, and forgetting the right one means dead gear at the worst moment. Most people pack multiple full cables, which can tangle, take up space, and then you'll still inevitably not have the right one. So this multi-USB charging adapter cable kit collapses multiple cable types into one compact system. The physical size is small enough to just permanently live in your tech pouch, which makes it far more likely to be with you when you need it. Even smaller is the Rolling Square InCharge X multi-charging cable. This little guy is tiny enough to take up pretty much zero space in your bag and can even be placed on your keys. It includes USB-A, USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB. Great reviews, great price point, cool, tiny tech item. Now, inevitably, you will need some longer cables, but we can avoid the mess with these cool retractable options. This is the Baseus USB-C to USB-C retractable cable. Comes in 3.3 and 6.6 foot varieties, and this will make your tech pouch so much neater. Comes equipped with a 100-watt delivery for fast charging. Hotel and Airbnb internet is almost always unreliable, insecure, or inconvenient. You're forced to log in device by device, deal with captive portals repeatedly, or rely on slow, unstable public Wi-Fi. This travel router by TP-Link gives you ownership over the network even when you don't own the internet connection. This is one of those things that after you use it for the first time, it will be really hard to go back. Instead of every device connecting to the hotel Wi-Fi, you connect the router to the hotel's Ethernet, and then from there, everything else connects to your router. It creates a single private Wi-Fi network for all your devices so that it feels like your Wi-Fi. It handles hotel captive portals once and not per device. And of course, it's extremely small and USB powered. I've found that this is especially valuable for longer stays, work trips, or anyone traveling with a mixed tech setup. I work a lot remotely when I travel, so this is a game changer. You unpack, plug it in, and every device just works the same way it does at home. If you're someone who travels with multiple devices to charge, you could also consider some kind of simple 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 charging station to reduce the cords and the clutter. This 3-in-1 charger by Kushu has dedicated charging spots for your phone, watch, and AirPods, all from one cable. Best of all, it folds down extremely compact when not in use, so it packs small and takes up very little space. A good pair of earplugs is a classic travel essential if you're dealing with a noisy hotel or just trying to sleep on the plane. Now, you could absolutely go with the classic foam earplugs, but my problem with those is they block out too much noise. I actually prefer a bit of ambient sound as it helps me sleep. I'm a big fan of these Loop Switch 2 earplugs. They don't create that weird vacuum seal feeling where the world just goes dead silent, and instead they kind of just take the edge off the noise. They dial things down by a few decibels depending on which mode you're in. There's a little dial built into the earplug that lets you switch between 3 modes. Quiet mode for maximum noise reduction, engage mode for easier conversations, and experience mode for live events where you want crisper sound but less volume. They also come with 4 different ear tip sizes so you can get a really comfortable fit. Unlike earbuds or AirPods, these don't get uncomfortable after several hours of wear, and you don't have to worry about battery life. All right, not to gross you out, but in hotels, Airbnbs, and shared bathrooms, toothbrushes are constantly exposed to bacteria. So a lot of people get these little toothbrush covers, but most of those trap moisture, which really doesn't help the situation. This Brill UV toothbrush sanitizer actually dries and sanitizes your toothbrush instead of sealing it in a damp container. It uses UVC light to kill bacteria on the brush head in a short cycle, and then it shuts off automatically. It's rechargeable, self-contained, and doesn't add any unnecessary steps to your routine. Now, this was our list of tiny tech essentials, but there is plenty more where this came from. Check this one out next, where we share more Amazon travel essentials. See you next time. Happy travels.